Hi, bago namin dalhin si Tia pauwi ng Bon. Kasi kailangan na po niya. Ay, hello blenders pala. Oh, hello blenders. 1, 2, 3, go. Hello blenders. Why are you sad? Why are you sad? My baby's a bit sad because nandito po tayo sa cherry blossom. Akala namin namulaklak na siya pero masyado po tayong maaga. Tingnan niyo, wala po. Diyan, sa Bon kasi maganda na po yung ano niya, yung nag-bloom na po. Spring na talaga sa Bon. Pero dito, wala pa. Kaya, sad po siya. Are you sad? Ito po, one of the tourist spots kapag springtime. Marami pong tao dito kasi lahat po yan, mga cherries, cherry tree. Grabe, sobrang ganda kapag magbulaklak siya. Like last time. Yeah, Arya, you remember? We've been here last time. You remember it? Yeah. And then, oh, 9 lagi. Your video last time went viral because you speak Bisaya. You remember? You speak Bisaya there?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
When I was 4.
Yeah.
But right
Now you are 5.
Look,
You're
Arya can speak more Bisaya. I mean,
yes.
can understand.
She's...
Atubang. Talikod.
Lah,
Takilid.
takilid. Good. And halaka.
Ho, dance, bullets. Ay, ho, halako.
Saba ka diri. Saba ka dito. Saba ka diri. Then okay. Arya. Ciao, and pumasok po tayo dito. Andito po tayo ngayon sa German restaurant. Typical German food. Ang ating ipapatikim kay Jaira. Dahil I think hindi pa siya nakatikim, no? Yung talagang totoo na, ano ba, German talaga na pagkain. Itong restaurant ito is itong restaurant na to medyo sikat sa mga Germans kasi nakikita nyo may mga players, mga athletes, mga artista na nag-visit dito. Ayan o. Sa mga nakakilala. And sino po nakakilala kay Marco Riemer? Mga artista po ito sa Germany. Nakakain sila dito, nakapunta sila dito na restaurant. Sikat. Sino pa to iba? Hindi ko po sila kilala. Kaya na lang po magtingin. Pero ito po ay mga sikat na mga tao. Ayan. Let's go. Yun po yung menu nila for today. So, taas tayo. Andito para si Jaira sa likod ko. So, ngayon, ipapatikim namin sa'yo kung anong pagkain ng German, typical German food. Hello. Saan tayo? Maraming artista nagpunta dito. Medyo sikat po itong restaurant. Sa Potsdamer Platz po kami. Yung mga princess. Ha? Isa ka na dito. Sa ano? Sa sila. You know, may mga princess pa na nagpunta dito kumain. Laka. Ito tayo sa pinakataas talaga. First time mo, Jai? German restaurant, diba? Yung typical talaga na German food. Ito mo matitikman, mga sauerkraut.
Ich habe sie gefragt, ne? Ob diese, wie ist das? Diese Haxe oder das hier oder Schnitzel. Das kennst du, ne? Das ist diese Beine.
So, ito po yung this is their menu. Ito po yung traditional na German food. Oh, full of cats. Yan na pong order ni Arya. Arya got
Kids Menu Schnitzel.
Kids Menu Schnitzel. Yan, chicken schnitzel.
Wiener.
Weiner.
gonna do it by myself.
Relax, relax.
I'm gonna do it by myself.
Wow, hello. Big girl naman, independent girl already. Wow, the best. Oh. Oh, danke schön. Wow. Ito yung Christmas pata. This is for baliktad. Wow, here's our crispy pata, guys.
That's
This is schnitzel.
You can try this one.
Wow. So this is the schnitzel, Wiener Schnitzel.
That one or this one?
Dako kayo, no? Ayan na po ang typical German food. Wait, I will take a picture.
Bayern.
Bayern Nation.
Not a bit.
Too big.
Let's eat.
That one or this one?
Jai, dinugmok na saging. Ay, naka.
That's yummy.
Ay, mauday. I said that it's banana.
No, it's not.
Come, try.
No, it's not banana.
Try it. Here.
It's not banana though.
You try this one, oh, sauerkraut.
Wait.
Tawa ka na kung kanang saging kung nga ano. Isa na? Yummy, right?
Yummy, right?
Potato.
Can we deliver
Hiwaan na kayo. Habang, you eat na while still hot.
What do you want this one?
You can share shots.
Yes.
This half and half.
Because I get.
Oh, that's yummy.
Ah! What's in my eyes?
Cool. Ooh. Look, para talagang crispy pata, oh. Wow. Let's eat. Kain tayo.
Creepy.
Tapos na tayong kumain, and how is it? You like the food?
Yes, and I'm so full.
Ang laki no, kaya ayan oh. Dinala
Full of
namin. Dinala namin kay grabe yung pagkain ng German. Ang laki ng kanilang portion. Like buong crispy pata. Yung Schweinehaxe. So let's go. Bilis kami ng lakad kay 5 minutes na lang darating yung ating S-Bahn or train. Then, grabe no, grabe. Ang dami po ditong customer. Tapos ilang, ano to, 1, 2, 3, tatlong palapag. Puno po. Sikat kasi ito na restaurant. Yung food nila, okay lang siya. Hindi siya ganun ka, for me ha, hindi siya ganun kasarap. Pero, dahil sikat, kaya marami po itong customer.
Pwede tao, hindi lang.
Ayun, pauwi na kami. Papunta tayo sa S-Bahn or sa station. Dito tayo dumaan sa parking ng mga bicycle. So, lahat po ito, mga bike lang po ito nakaparking lahat. Ang laki. Kaya dito po sa Germany, famous po ang mag-ride ng bicycle. It's healthy. Sa atin, mag-bicycle, pobre. Dito, healthy. I think lahat ng tao may bike. Yes, very healthy. Lahat ata ng tao dito,
The bikes, Mama, what are
merong bike. O daon.
It's your turn for real. Please. Please, Tia.
Box Nelson.
Please.
Nelson.
Sige na, Tia. Go, Tia. Alit tayo.
Go, Tia. Go, go, go.
Go, Tia. Yes.
Go, Tia. Go, Tia. Go, Tia.
Yes. And then, it will be broken. Go. It's okay.
It's okay.
Wait. Tia,
I
will try.
can walk to go to kindergarten.
Wow, Tia! Super! Wow! Ciao, Tia! Lap, Tia! Bye, Tia!
Oh, you're lubot.
Ingat!
Bye.
What you gonna say to Tia?
See you next time.
Cheers! Lala. Oo. First time niyang sumakay ng Flixbus. So, 9 hours going to Bonn.
Alone.
Alone. Oh, first time alone. Tapos, first time din sa Flixbus. Laka, kaya mo yan? Ha? Kaya mo?
Varnish.
Ah? Varnish daw. Pero late yung bus niya. Yung isang Flixbus dyan is going to Zurich, Switzerland. Yung isa naman doon. Warsaw, going to Poland. So, mamili ka, Jai. Anong gusto mo? Going to Switzerland? Den Haag? Ay, may Den Haag pa. May Den Haag nga talaga. Yan o, Den Haag Central. Duisburg lang. Mag-stop pa naman siya sa Dusseldorf. Yan ang sasakyan ni Jaira. Going to Bonn. Ano yung seat number mo, Jai? 14D. Ilabas mo yung ano mo. Passport kay i-check nila. Ay, naghahalikan. Baba ka sa Bonn, ha? Ito na yung sasakyan ni Jaira.
Pwede siya?
Baka, guba man. Sige lang. Yan na lang siya. Ay, maano man na siya. Tayo ni mo, ano. Bye, Jai. Hala ka, sa kabila, Jai. Bye-bye. Ingat. Nilagay ito yung bag ito, ah. Sige pa daw, ibaba na siya. Ay, dira. Ihigda lang. Kaya di man siya mak-close. Yan yung lagayan ng mga bagay sa baba. Ano, check na siya. Na. Bye, Jai. Namay kay katapad. Ayun na siya. Ay, hindi yung ano. Hello, Blenders! Maayong hapon. Good afternoon, everyone. Late na po akong nag-start ng ating vlog. So, wala na po si Tia dito. Nagbiyahe na po siya papunta.
Yeah!
Surprise!
I got money.
Yay!
Just give me my money.
So, Arya is with me, with us. Hello, Arya. And
Hello.
she got a very nice hair today. Ginawa ko yung buhok niya. Umabot po tayo. Hindi po perfect. Pero okay lang po yan. Buhagang siya. Okay lang po yan. Pero inabot po ako ng 1
Look how
hour.
much money. I got $100.
Naku, napakahirap ko palang gumawa ng braids sa buhok. Hindi po basta-basta. Kaya saludo ako sa mga magaling magawa nito. It needs practice.
Why are you just speaking Bisaya or
Tagalog, yeah.
Why are you speaking like that?
Yeah, because I am Tagalog. I am making a vlog in our language, Filipino language. Yeah, I'm with my daughter, and she got a very nice hair today. Meron
Do you
pa akong
want some
time sa
money?
kanya.
Just give me my money.
So, ayan po, nag-vacation po tayo sa ating vlog. Kaya, very updated yung vlog natin. Dahil today po is April. What day today? Today po Saturday. April.
And it's the weekend.
Yeah, it's weekend. Today is April 12. Yes, so ano ba yan? Updated po ang ating vlog dahil nag-relax po tayo for how many weeks? So, almost 1 month. Bago po tayo nakapag-vlog ulit. Si Tia po ay nasa Bonn na. Nandito pa tayo sa Berlin. At kami... Come here with me. And I want to show your bag like that.
Handbag. Here.
Yeah. Look, kami. So, ayan. Andito po tayo muna sa Berlin dahil wala pa po tayong nahanap na apartment sa Bonn. Kaya we need to stay here. Dahil kung wala po tayong apartment sa Bonn, meaning wala pa po akong mahanap na kindergarten for Arya. Kaya kawawa naman yung bata na hindi mag-aral, no? Kaya, kaya nag-stay po muna tayo dito. Pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin po yung ating paghahanap ng ating apartment. Kaya hindi po basta-basta maghanap ng apartment. Mahirap po. Pero sige lang. Sige lang po dahil hindi po tayo nawawalan ng pag-asa. Sige lang dahil darating po yung tamang apartment para sa atin. hindi man siya perfect, pero I know that God will provide the good na para talaga sa atin na ibibigay po ni God yan. Para po kay Arya, kay Tia, and for me. So it would be a ladies apartment. It would be a color. What color you like?
Rainbow.
Rainbow. It would be a color pink, purple. Arya's favorite color
It's rainbow.
Rainbow.
No, not. I'm 45. Mama, I wanna bake.
Yeah, I know, but
We have baking powder. Why? See, Mama, we have baking powder.
bibili masana ako ng baking powder. Kaya naubusan tayo.
Mama, we have baking powder.
Yeah, we have, but we also need a baking, we also need a baking soda para umalsa yung ating cake.
Okay, let's
Second.
go. Let's go buy. Let's go.
Yeah, but you want to come with me? It takes a long time when you
It's
come.
okay. It's okay. It's okay.
When you come with me, then you don't have to buy anything, okay?
Yeah.
Come here. Bibili sana ako sa Penny. Madalian lang po, pero may bata po dito na gusto talagang sumama sa atin.
Cause I
Ayaw
got
ko.
money.
Ayaw kong sa siyang samahin kasi baking soda lang naman itong bibilihin at saka yung color ubi ba. Mag-bake sana ako ng ubi cake. Second time na mag-bake tayo. Ang problema nito, itong bata na to, this little girl here, the pretty girl, wants to come with us to Penny. I will just only buy baking soda. Not anymore.
That's it.
That's
my
it.
mom used my money.
But when you come with me, when I buy it, and then you would, Mama, this one, I buy. I want to have chocolate like this.
No, for real.
You promise me? Okay, let's go.
Pinky.
Come, let's go.
Pinky promise. Pinky promise.
Wait. I need a witness. O yan, nag-pinky promise na po ha. Na you will not buy anything.
My mom will use
No
my
sweets.
money.
No sweets, no chocolate. Just a baking soda.
And no Skittles.
Yeah, no Skittles. And what else? No chips.
Yeah.
Okay, so pinky promise.
No
we have,
sauce because we have already.
we have a lot of ready. We have here everything like chocolates, sweets. We have here. Ah, sorry. Sorry.
Achoo.
Come, let's go.
Bye-bye, guys. We see you in a few minutes. Bye, peace.
So hello guys. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hello, guys.
Ayan o, sumama na siya sa atin oh. Hindi talaga
I got my money.
Yeah. Sumama talaga siya. Diyan talaga yung bata na to. Palasama ng mama. Paano na lang ito bukas?
What does that mean? What'd you say, Mama?
I said, you're a girl who always wants with mom. Together with mom. Oh. Is it true that you always like to be with mom
Yeah.
all the time?
Yeah.
Why is it?
Because I missed you.
I missed. Why you miss me? We're always together every day.
No, I was together with my dad.
Huh? No.
Yes.
Tomorrow.
We're gonna go to Bun.
No, not with you. Because you
No,
go with,
later.
you go to kindergarten.
No, later, Mama.
Later.
Later.
Paano na lang ito? Maiwan. Iwanan ni mama. Ang bata na to. Arya? Tignan niyo siya. Okay, come, Prin. Sumama talaga siya.
That's already new.
Huh?
That's new because it was broken last time.
Now, welcome to Penny, guys. Sumama talaga yung bata. Baking powder lang. Tsaka baking soda yung ating bibit. Why you get that? We don't need that.
We need this for this.
Kumuha pa ng basket. We don't need that.
Look, I need it.
Okay, for your bag.
My shopping
Huh?
for my money.
You're so cute lang, guys. Huh?
You said no. You said no.
It's okay. If you like to have some bread, you can get, okay?
This is so heavy.
For your food.
This is so heavy.
You want bread or something?
So heavy.
Oh, careful. It's Easter here, guys. You show to them?
Here,
It's Easter here.
here,
And she found something like
and here.
colorful eggs.
I want this, but we can't buy.
But we can make our own, okay? It's better.
Can we make our own like that?
Yeah, we can.
No, we cannot paint it. We will eat the skin.
No. I will show you how, okay?
Ooh, Mama, I want to make some cookies.
Yeah, here. Oh. We need this. You need this? Get on.
Ooh, Mama, this is so many.
So cute.
Roll.
Cutie, cutie.
This one, or
Tingnan nyo siya kapag kasama ko yan siya.
which
Makabili talaga tayo ng
this one
hindi natin ni plano.
or this one? Which
Sige.
one? Which sprinkles do you want?
You can choose what you want. Okay, you can. Or do you like this, like party sprinkles? Which one?
Oh, yeah.
That one? Okay?
Or this one. Which
This
one
one.
you choose? You choose.
Yes, egal.
We can eat this?
Yes.
Oh, this too. Can also eat this.
Okay, only one,
This
yeah?
is marshmallows.
Yeah.
And this is sprinkles.
Yeah. So only one, okay?
I'm gonna choose this one.
So, let's go. Ito na natin bibilhin. Hala ka, ang dami. Ipot here. It's okay, it's okay. Nako. Okay, then come. You pay?
Yeah, I will pay.
You have money?
Yeah. Look.
Play money. Hala ka. Ito na po yung nabili natin. Imbis, ano lang. Come. Ito. Imbis na baking soda lang yung bibili natin. Ayan. Napadami tuloy. She got the money. Ayan, pauwi na tayo ng bahay. Yung mga nabili natin for baking. Medyo nahilig-hilig na tayo ng baking ngayon. Simula nang nakabake ako ng once. Tapos masarap pa. Sabi ko, wala. Na-encourage ako mag-bake ulit. Hello guys, are you here?
Hello, guys. Look at it. It's getting purple.
Purple kasi gagawa po tayo ng ubi cake. Meron na po tayong ubi halaya. Kaya masyado po siyang maputla. Like it's color pink. Kaya gumamit na lang po
It's
tayo
still
nito.
color pink, Mama.
Still color pink? Kaya gumamit na po tayo nitong
Mama, it's still color
food
pink.
coloring. Still
Oh my
food.
gosh,
Should I?
No, I will put it. I'm going to put it, Mama.
But still color pink pa rin siya. But it's okay, right?
Mama,
Color
when
pink.
I say stop, okay? When I say stop.
Tingnan niyo po, color pink pa rin siya. I think it's okay, Arya.
No, Mama, it's
So we make a pink cake. No more OB cake.
stop. Okay. Oba cake is pink, so I was just getting it.
It's lila. OB cake is lila. OMG.
OMG.
Okay, it's okay. Come.
Wait, I'm putting it. I'm just gonna mix.
Mhm.
Oh, it's getting really purple. How good is it?
Mhm. So I'm going
I
to.
need a tissue, please.
It's okay. Later. We're going to make a moist cake. Ubi. We are going to make a moist ubi cake. So kaya napaka-moist yun.
No, Mama, please. It's moving away. It's moving away, Mama.
Oh my god, what are you doing there? Oh Jesus. You're making it so chaos now. Should I make it now, please?
No, I can make it.
Oh, it's purple already. It's enough na. Very pink.
Wait, Mama. Wait, I still need to mix because they're still purple.
Wait. I need to mix it first and then I will give it to you, okay? So chaos. You wash your hand here. Super chaos already.
I need to hold it up.
That's what I'm talking about. Ready na yung ating merengue. Yung ating mix. Yung na para sa ating chiffon cake. Gumawa tayo ng merengue para maging mas moist at mas fluffy yung ating cake. yung first na ubi cake na ginawa ko before, mali-mali. Kaya, sabi ko, hindi ako titigilan hanggat hindi ko siya, hindi ako titigilan hanggat hindi ko malaman paano talaga gumawa ng perfect na chiffon cake. Ayan. So, ito lang pala yung sekreto. Magawa kayo ng merengue para soft, fluffy siya. Tapos, ang isang sekreto din ay maglagay din kayo ng vinegar, tapos baking powder and baking soda. Ayan, para umalsa, maging more fluffier yung ating chiffon cake. Hindi ako masyadong naglagay dito ng sugar kasi naglagay po ako dito ng ubi halaya. Yung ating ubi halaya ay matamis na. So, hindi na kailangan ng marami pang sugar. Ayaw ko kasi ng masyadong matamis. At tayo ayaw ng masyadong matamis na cake. Kanang mali yung ating ginamit. Oh, kamali ako, hindi ko nalagyan ng oil. Patay. Mali na naman. Puro na lang mali. Late na yung ating oil. Okay lang ito, no? Okay lang yan. Kesa walang oil, di ba? Lagyan natin ito para mas malaki. Hindi talaga siya dark, not purple. Pero okay lang yun, okay. Parang feeling ko kasi kapag marami ng coloring, parang yung lasa niya naging coloring na rin, no? Kaya okay na to yung kulay niya. Purple pa rin. Babawi na lang tayo sa ubi halaya mamaya. Meron na ako ditong na-prepare na lagayan ng ating cake. Kulang tayo nito, kaya gumawa ako ng DIY. Yung aluminum foil. Sinala ko lang dito para same sila ng size. Bibili tayo next time ulit ng ganito para dalawa siya. Kasi yung isa, hindi siya magkasya. Kaya, kailangan siyang isa-isa. Kailangan talaga dalawa. Ang ganda sana kung meron itong measurement ng pang-weigh. Problema wala. Hindi ko na makita. Nasaan yun? Perfect color sa Easter, no? Magdala tayo dito sa bone kapag matapos na. So, ilagay na natin sa oven. Yung oven ko nakauna kanina at nilagay ako ng tubig sa baba para mas maging moist yung ating chiffon cake. Hala! Nahulog! Oh no!